guys, we got our 90-degree elbow connector right here. It comes with a set of instructions which will help you immensely in installing. Also, I've got a seal ring that it comes with that goes onto the dryer vent itself. And then this is called the snap connector. It's got these little fingers you can see here. And then the body of the 90-degree elbow, and that will go right up against the wall. So what we're going to do first is take the hose. Make sure you lengthen the hose all the way out, like so. And you're going to make sure these fingers are in a little bit. We're going to put this over the top of the hose. Pull the hose in like this. And then take your 90-degree elbow and we're just going to snap it into place. Quick, easy snap. Got rid of the hose clamps on that, which is great. And then we're going to take the seal ring, and that will go onto either your dryer or the wall. All right, now we're ready to take the PVC seal ring. We're going to place that onto the dryer vent. Pull it right over the top of the dryer vent there. And then take your 90-degree elbow that you've connected to the hose, and you can angle this however you need to. If your arrangement, the hose goes up, then you'd want more like this. If it goes to the side, you can turn it to the side. This one's to the side, so I'm going to just connect it. I'm going to push it onto the dryer, give it a good push, make sure it's snug, and you are done. We're going to push it up against the wall. So now we got it all connected. We're going to just push it against the wall and we should be ready to roll.